Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be asking the question, how low will Bitcoin go? I'm going to give you my prediction at the end of this video, and I'm going to kind of talk a little bit about what you can expect to come, why, and what I'm doing about it. So stick around to the end. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Also, take advantage of the free money and the links in the description down below. There's this month $75 when you sign up for crypto.com there for you. Also, up to $4,100 for free trading on Femex if you use our referral code. So don't miss out, guys. Let's take a peek at the charts here. So Bitcoin still around 20K, and we are going down. Now, these charts are going to be a little bit off as this is a pre-recorded video, so I just want you to be aware of that and keep an eye on the price. But we're talking about how low can Bitcoin go. Well, for that, we're going to have to take a peek at the all-time chart. Now, in my opinion, this is crazy what has happened. This is a fact. We have never previously broken from a bull market below the previous cycle top. So the previous cycle top was 20K. And we broke below it. In fact, we're sitting right at it right now. We're below it. There's some downside ahead of us, guys. But how much downside? Well, when you look at these charts, I see a little splash here at, 17K or whatever that is. But you got to look, it's about 16, 17K. So we saw ourselves touch down to like that peak before. There's another stop at about, I think this is about 13K or something like that. There's about 13K. But then there's a lot of stopping points over here at about 10.5 to 11.5K. So what's it going to be? Well, when you look at some of the articles that people are posting, you're seeing price targets like 17, 16, 13. I've seen 3, I've seen 5K, I've seen 11K, I've seen 12K. This one says Bitcoin could plunge even further to a low of $13,000, one strategist warns. Ian Harnett, co-founder of Absolute Strategy Research, said that the crypto rallies have shown that Bitcoin tends to fall roughly 80% from all-time highs, and so that's kind of where he gets the number. 80% crash from $69,000 is $13,000. He's calling this a key support area. So I could agree to this. Now, what could stop this from happening? Well, a big news story could stop this from happening if the Fed changes up their tune. It could go worse if the Fed continues to mess with the markets and mess with the economy, or the war in in Ukraine continues to get worse than it already is. So there's a lot of things that have brought us to this point, and $13,000 isn't that crazy. But a lot of you might be saying, well, man, oh my gosh, you go down to $13,000. It's at 19K today. That's like a 40% crash. Oh my, I'm going to sell all my crypto today. Don't do that. Don't do that. I see stories like this. I see the prices crash and I get excited. What am I doing about it? I am buying the dip. I bought the dip today and I still think I bought the dip. Like I think it could still dip lower. So I bought it knowing and thinking that it still could go lower, but I didn't want to buy it above 20,000 because I still think there's a lot of time to buy under 20,000. So I wanted to get it under 20, which I did. I want to get Bitcoin below 1,000, which I did get some below 1,000. I'm trying to get some more below 1,000. And that's my strategy. But where do I think it's going to go? I honestly believe that when you look at these charts, it is screaming at my face, $10,500, $1,100. That is my prediction for a low of Bitcoin. Where is Bitcoin going to go if it hits bottom here lower than we're at? I think 11.5, 10.5, 11.5 is exactly what we're looking at. So make sure you have streams of income. Don't put all your money in crypto today. DCA and just keep buying and focus on Bitcoin, Ethereum. Look at your altcoins because Bitcoin could go down all the way to 11K. It's certainly possible. Is it likely? I wouldn't say that by any means. I don't think you can say anything's likely. The only thing that I think is likely is that one day Bitcoin will go back up and Bitcoin will go above $100,000 and then some, because it's one of the best assets we've ever had in the history of Earth. And leave a comment in the chat box down below if you agree, disagree with that, and why. I'd like to talk with you guys a little bit more Very excited. Down the road, we'll get some live streams going. We'll do some more Q&As, but we're not there yet. We'll get there, folks. We'll get there. That's what I got for today's video. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button, subscribe to this channel. And as always, guys, you got to remember, it's very, very important. If Bitcoin goes down to 10K, you got a DCA, you have to hodl, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.